Meet Mr. Snack, the hungriest minifigure in all of Bricksburg. Today, he has a craving that only one thing can satisfy. He heads to the local brick diner for the legendary Megabyte burger. And here it is, the masterpiece of flavor. He prepares for the first monumental bite.
The texture, the taste, the plastic perfection. It's everything he dreamed of.
Mission accomplished. One giant burger, 0 bricks left behind. Until next time, Mr. Snack, stay hungry for adventure. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for other little adventurers.